So guys, we are inside our sample project. Select the clip. Now suppose from the start of our project, we want to start our zoom in effect. For that, tap on this button to place a keyframe. Then the duration of the effect, suppose around 6 seconds. Look for transform, advanced, zoom in, position the subject where you like. This will automatically place a keyframe. Now if we play it, see, we have our zoom in effect. For zoom out, same, place a keyframe, the duration and the final position. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.